Hey everyone, we're going to go over the true or false for the Africa geography. So I have the text right here, and then I have the questions over here. And I thought that'd be helpful because we're going to have to look back in the text to figure out some of the answers. Okay, so let's start with number 1. It says the Horn of Africa is located in the eastern part of the continent. So we did this one together. We have the Horn of Africa. And let's put our geographic symbols on there, the north, south, east, west. Let's put a compass. So if I have a compass, it's going to go north, south, east, west. Oh, I'm having a little trouble writing. I'm going to try that again. Want it to be nice and neat for you. There we go. Okay. So, yes. There's my east. Okay, so yep, this is the eastern part. This is the southern. This is the west, and this is the north. So the question says, the Horn of Africa is located on the eastern part of the continent? Yes, that is true. Nice job. Okay, now let's look for Lake Victoria is the largest lake in the world. Well, in the text, in this paragraph here, it was talking about Lake Victoria, and it said it's the second largest freshwater lake, so that would be false. Okay, so I had to go back in the text. It said the second largest freshwater lake. Okay, now I'm trying my green. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in the Sahara Desert. Mount Kilimanjaro in the Sahara Desert. Well, here's Mount Kilimanjaro. And here's the Sahara Desert. So, nope, they are not close to each other, so that's false. Okay. 4, the Kalahari Desert. Let me change my, see if we can do the yellow. Kalahari Desert covers northern Africa. Okay, Kalahari Desert. Kalahari Desert is here in the south, so it does not cover the north. The north is the Sahara Desert. So, another false. Okay, let's do number 5. The Nile River flows into the Mediterranean Sea. Here's the Nile River. And it's flowing, but I don't remember where it goes, so I'm going to have to go back in the text. And I'm seeing here in, again, oops, let me show you what paragraph I'm in. Okay. In this paragraph, it talks about the Nile River. It says the Nile River is the longest river in the world. It originates in Lake Victoria, so it starts at Lake Victoria. And yes, it flows northward into the Mediterranean Sea. So this was a true, finally a true. Ooh. Okay. Number 6. The Sahara Desert makes up about 50% of the African continent. So the key word in number 6 is the Sahara Desert. Let's go back here where it says the Sahara Desert. And I'm reading, the Sahara Desert is the world's largest desert. It covers northern Africa and makes up around 1/4. Okay, so 1/4 is 25%. This is your math lesson of the day. 1/4 is 25%, so no, it does not make up 50%, so that's false. Okay. I'm going to pause to let you catch up, and I'm going to use my green for number 7. So, number 7, the Sahara Desert is drier than the Kalahari Desert. I don't remember. Let me try to find part about the Kalahari Desert. Okay, looks like, Kalahari Desert's here. The Kalahari Desert is in the southern part of Africa. The desert receives some rainfall and is able to support more plants and animals than the Sahara. So it sounds like the Kalahari is wetter. So that would make sense that the Sahara Desert is drier. Crossed out the word. Yes, it is drier, so that would be true. Okay. Let's try 8. Most African rainforests have been cut because of urbanization and farming. Urbanization and farming. Remember, urbanization is when people are building cities. So let's go to the part about the rainforest here. It says rainforests are located in the central part of Africa. Gotta move my here. Unfortunately, nearly 80% of these forests have been destroyed as a result of growing cities and farming. Okay, so the text was talking about growing cities and farming. So that would match this idea of urbanization and farming. So what do you think? You're right. It would be true. That is true. Okay. We only have a few more to do. It's good to do this together to go back and look at the text and remind ourselves what's going on. So for number 9, the African savanna is home to various animal species like lions, rhinos, and elephants. Okay, I remember reading lions, rhinos, and elephants. Oh, it was down here. Giraffes, lions, rhinos, and elephants. And yes, it is talking about savanna. The savanna is a region of grassland with some bushes and trees that cover nearly half the continent. This area is home to large mammal species such as giraffes, lions, rhinos, and elephants. Yep, that's true. Now, let's stay in this paragraph because we're needing to answer another question about it. Number 10. Okay, 10 says a savanna is a landform. Yes, it is a landform. It's part of the land that consists of grassland. Yep, grasslands, bushes, and trees. Yay, another true. Wow, it's all true so far. Okay, next one is most rainforests can be found between the Sahara Desert, that's the key word, and African savanna. Okay, so let me find the desert. The desert is here, and the savanna is here, and the question says between. Yep, that's another true, because I can see that I have the tropical rainforest that's in between. Woofda! Okay, very good. So that is going to be that. I am curious what you guys got for exercise 3. I got rainforest. I also found Kalahari. Where's the Hari? Oh, Kalahari. That was one that I found. I wonder what else you found. I'll have to look at your work to see. Oh, one was the Mount Kilimanjaro. Man. Do you see a oh yeah. Kilimanjaro was one. We had rainforest. That was one. So now we're left with, maybe savanna could be one. Savannah. And then Zambezi. I don't know about that. Zambezi? Or, we have Zambezi. I don't know. I'm going to leave it there. Maybe you figured it out. You can be the teacher. Please come be the teacher. Okay, talk to you later. Have a good day.